all then put there.
But this, it's a highly populated village.
Usually we at
Shifting nighttime,
daytime, those people are also working here.
Their income, the people's
the
income from
income
this
comes
spot.
from if there is loading, that is the income. They help on the dump truck. So 24 hours. They can load here 5,000 to 8,000 a day. It depends on the number of hours in the truck.
So we need to send the ship machine now.
Yeah, in machine for the vendor.
I have seen machine
Because the price is FOB mother.
So from here to stockpile, 10 kilometers.
22 kilometers.
Stockpile.
Yeah, it's stockpile only. Then if you want to see the site, it's from the stockpile. You can see it's 6 kilometers from the stockpile to the yard. If you want to go there, you can.
What is the name of this village?
Matalbis village. This is part of Masinloc.
And the stockpile is in Candelaria.
Yes, the stockpile is in Candelaria. Candelaria is part of center of what do you call this? The Santa Cruz, Candelaria. But we will pass Santa Cruz and then we will still Candelaria. Yeah, the name of the company is Candelaria Community Management Center.
So it's Kamote mining?
No, it's not.
It's a private mine.
Yeah, it's a private one. It's a 250 hectares. You can see when you see the file, you can see the site already, and then the road, because it's already we explored already. The road was rehabilitated. Then you can go. A car can go there like that, and Innova cannot. 4x4, but it can be, but so slow.
No, it's okay. Stockpile is.
Yeah, stockpile. You can see all the stuff in stockpile.
So
this one.
You live here in this area?
No, in Manila, in Makati. But we have a plant here of magnetite sand. But that is magnetite sand, and we are dealing with nickel. So all our friends are here. So we know already who are the owners of those. We go direct to the owner, not with the brokers, not.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
So
okay.
magnetic sand plant where?
Botolan.
Left side?
Yeah. We pass already.
Yeah, I have seen.
Yeah. We also have in La Union, the new one. And in San Felipe, there is also 2 areas in San Felipe.
You are already working in San Felipe?
Yes. It's already.
How many years?
That was 2008, 2009.
How much production per month?
Only 15,000.
Only?
The grade is around, I'll be honest with you, the grade is 58%.
What is 54?
Because we put up the spiral to make it 60 or 62.
What is the capacity, ma'am?
Pwede, sir.
10,000.
Ako po, dun sa isa pong Arnel Santos. Ito po. Ito yun. Isa na ba yung driver niyan? Ayun. Yung nakablock. Tanong na.
Generally जो barges यहाँ पे लोग use करते हैं, maximum
Sa Manila po. Papunta pa kami ng stockpile. Kasi dito maluwag na area. Busy sa Masinloc. Hirap sumingit.
Matutuloy ka na sa kaya na yan, sir?
Sana. At least merong trabaho. Kailan huling operation yung
Last December yata yun, sir.